Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to supercharge your Figma designs with a massive library of icons all ready to drag and drop, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Iconify plugin in Figma. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access thousands of icons right inside your design workspace, so you'll never have to hunt around for separate icon files again. Let's jump straight in. First things first, head over to Figma and open up the design file you want to work with. You'll want to make sure you're in the correct file because the plugin will add icons directly to your canvas, and it's always best not to clutter up the wrong design. Once you've got Figma open, look up at the top menu. You'll see an option called Actions. This menu is kind of like your control center for anything extra Figma can do, plugins, widgets, and more. Click on Actions and hover over the section that says Plugins and Widgets. If you haven't used plugins before, don't worry. This is just how Figma lets you add new features made by the community. Now in the search bar that pops up, type in Iconify. It should show up right away. Iconify is popular because it gives you access to an absolutely huge set of icons from many different collections, all organized in one place. Go ahead and open and run the Iconify plugin. It might take a second to load the very first time, so don't worry if you see a little spinning wheel. Once it's up, you'll see its main interface. This is where you'll do all your searching and browsing for icons. Take a second and look around the plugin window. It's super user-friendly. Now let's talk about filtering. One of the best parts of Iconify is how you can easily narrow down the thousands of icons available to just what you need. You'll notice there are several filters built right in. For example, you'll see categories like Actions, Activities, Android, Audio and Video, Business, Communication, Hardware, Home, and quite a few more. These filters are lifesavers when you're on a tight deadline and need, say, a sports icon or something that matches a communication theme for an app. Let's say you're designing an onboarding flow for a mobile app and you need a quick home or hardware icon. Just click on the relevant category and instantly you'll see only the icons that fit. If you're not sure which filter to use, don't be afraid to experiment. A lot of times you'll discover icon styles or groups you didn't even know existed. And remember, you can search by keyword too, which really helps if you've got something super specific in mind. Once you find an icon that works for you, just click it, and voila, it drops right onto your Figma canvas, ready for you to size, style, and color however you like. It really is that smooth. You can try out a few, undo, redo, don't worry about making mistakes. That's part of the creative process. And honestly, that's it. That's all you need to get started with the Iconify Figma plugin. It's one of those simple tools that once you start using, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you upgrade your Figma workflow, please give the video a like. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or want to share cool ways you're using Iconify in your designs, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more design tutorials just like this one. Happy designing!